Finna replace this crankcase filter. Shouldn't be too hard. There I am, getting ready to get to work. Let's do it. Hey. Replacing this crankcase filter. What I'm gonna do is take this hose off. And there's another hose in the back. I'm gonna leave that on there until I take it off. It's only 3 screws to hold this thing together. There's one back here. They don't look hard to get at, so here we go. Take this hose off, move it out the way, hit these 3 screws, and here's the part. There's the part. I ain't worried about no paint. And it comes with a new seal and 3 new screws to put it back in. Pretty simple. Here we go. See what happens. See, I'm wearing my Dallas Cowboy hat. All right. Shouldn't be too hard of a job. Looks fairly simple. Let's see how it goes. Get right back with y'all. Okay, this is the tools I use. 10mm socket, screwdriver, extension. It was you see how I got it made up here. And this extension is good because it's not a 3/8. I'm not sure what size this is, but this small extension fit in there real well. I'm using my electrical impact. Okay, it's just those 3 bolts, and it comes right on out. You also got to take these out. This is a star wrench, look like a T25. You got 2 of these that need to come out. I'm supposing I'm gonna take it out, then move this off. I'm gonna take the oil crankcase oil filter, oil separator. Take that out, and then I'm gonna take these 2 bolts off because this, I was thinking I could remove this tube, but I can't because it's got some type of locking lock slots up in here. I can't get them out. So you go over, you go through, you go around, but you get it done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I also need this tool right here. I think that's a T25. Star wrench. T25 star wrench. Get this little deal off of her. That's what this. And I got this here. Hold my tool, hold my boats. Got that from Harbor Freight. Real good tool to have while you're working on your truck. Very simple. Okay, then that's that's aluminum base. It just holds this. It holds this oil crankcase filter, or they call it an oil separator. And just change out that seal, the black seal sitting on it. Oh, and I got this tool here. Let me show you this here. This has saved me a couple times already. It's a magnet. It's just a little magnet, but I'm gonna use it as a pointer. Oh, should stick it. Right there is the seal. Remove that, I got a new one. I'm gonna put that in. I had to take that out right there. That hell came off of here to the top of that. You can see all that debris inside there. It was something, it's real dirty and gooky. So, good thing I got this changed out. There's all my bolts that it came with. These are all my supplies. These are a flathead screwdriver. Needed this. I think that's a quarter inch socket. And that's an adapter. Show that to you. This here is an adapter right there. And that'll fit to this this quarter inch, whatever this is, whatever size that is, socket. And I got they only use that on one boat. They can only fit on one boat. The rest of it was hands too. Hey, what size socket is that? I know that's a 3/8, and then it goes to this. What size is that?
That's 3/8.
Quarter?
Quarter inch.
Quarter inch socket. Thank you, sir. It's our trailer man right there. All right, YouTube. That's another thing you have to take off. That's where that other hose was. Same situation. T25 star wrench, I believe. I'm about to look at this and make 100% sure. But I believe it's T25. So you gotta take that off also. It's not on the new one. This is the new one right there. All right, y'all. All right, YouTube. I got the new one in. The old one was just leaking profusely. It was all over the rear of my truck. Got this new one in. Let's see if it works. All right, got that thing all in there. It's done. The work is done. Okay. I already test drove. I ran it. I haven't test drove it yet. I'm getting around to that. But it's all in there. It's all done. Here's the old part. I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Like, share, leave a comment. I plan on bringing you all many more. Thanks for your time. All right, YouTube, time to take the trash out. I'm gonna let you know this. When I started my truck, it runs very well.